Basic Skill Bootcamp, Multiplication and Division with 6. In today's lesson, students will solve basic multiplication and division problems, skip counting by 6 using touch math. Using what? Very good. Okay, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Who has not memorized their 6 multiplication tables? Who has not memorized them? Who does not know them? Okay, well, you're in luck, because I have a way that you can solve multiplication problems with 6 using a very special song. Who's heard Twinkle Twinkle Little Star before? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Anybody? Okay. So remember, when you use touch points, you actually have to sequence count or skip count. So you have to remember how to skip count by 6. So if you don't know how to remember, or if you do, skip count with me without singing. This goes like this: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay? So make sure you write that sequence down. That is how you skip count by 6. Again, this is 6 times 1, 6 times 2. What's this one? 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5, 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 6 times 9, and 6 times 10. And these only go up to 10. Okay, so you know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, right? So listen to the song first, and then, oh yes, you're going to sing it. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, it goes like this. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by 6 is so easy. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, does that sound like the ABCs? That's weird. Yeah, the ABCs are also to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So this is also the ABC song. Now we're going to try it again. You all know how to sing your ABCs, I think. Yeah. Okay. So now we're just going to say to the numbers. This one's a little bit slower because I think the 6's are more difficult. So let's slow it down. You ready? Go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by 6 is so easy. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, bless you. All right, so we're going to sing this song about 5 times because we have 5 problems. And you know that when you solve touch math problems, you have to sing the song as you touch the points. So let's go ahead and do this. Now, you're going to start to get multiplication tables that are going to be all mixed up, right? Because we're used to doing just 4s. We did all 4s yesterday. Today we're going to do all 6's. But when they are mixed up and you have different tables, I'm just going to tell you, you got to remember this. The number without the dots, I'm going to say it again. The number without the dots, like the red number, is the number that you skip count by. Okay? Okay, so what did I say? Remember, the number without the dots is the number you skip count by. So here, you're always going to be skip counting by 6 and using this song. Okay? So for number 1, you have 6 times 4. If you do not know that it is 24, you could say, okay, how many times do I skip count by 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get to 24. Or you sing the song and you say 6, 12, 18, 24, just like that. Okay? So what is 6 times 4? Say it. 24. All right? Next, we have 8 times 6. Okay? 8 times 6. If you're not sure what 8 times 6 is, you're going to touch these points. Go ahead. Touch points on your paper. You could do it with your pencil. That's what I want you to do. Okay? So you're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. What's the answer? 48. Very good. Let's try this one. Okay, double dots you touch twice. You're going to skip count by 6. How many times? 7 times. How many times? 7 times. You're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. What's this one? 42. Okay, 6 times 7 is 42. How about 5 times 6? A lot of you should know how to count by 5s. Could we skip count by 5s really quick? Okay, just like you would on a clock. Say 5, 10. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, so let's skip count by 6 though, 5 times. Okay, you're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So this one's what? 5 times 6 is 30. What's 5 times 6? 30. And the last one is 6 times 9. Okay, so you're going to say, skip count with me, ready? I'm going to go slow. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Stop. What's the answer? 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. Go ahead and get all of that down. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some division because remember that multiplication is the opposite of division, okay? So in order to do division using touch math, you have to make tallies to show how many times you're going to skip count. So let's go over the words, the math vocabulary words. This big number, okay, that you are trying to break into 6 equal parts, right, is 36. This is saying how many groups of 6 could you make with 36? Okay, so this big number is called the dividend. What is it called? The dividend, right? That's the one that you're breaking up into parts. So the number you're dividing by is called the divisor. What is it called? The divisor. All right? So now we're saying, how many times do we skip count by 6 to get to 36? Okay? So let's skip count by 6 to get to 36 again. If you wanted to just go up here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you would know that 6 times 6 is 36. But we are going to go ahead and sing the song. You're going to skip count to 36. You're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Now remember, this is a tally of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 / means 5. So this is 5 plus 1, which is 6. So what is your answer? Your answer is 6. And that is called the quotient. The quotient is 6 because 6 times 6 is 36. All right? How many times does 6 go into 54? Or how many times do you skip count by 6 to get to the number 54? Let's go ahead, skip count, sing with me, ready, go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Okay, so this is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Very good. So 6 times 9 is 54, or 54 divided by 6 is 9. And the last one we're going to do is 48 divided by 6. Let's go ahead and skip count by 6 to get to 48. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay, so again, we made a tally of 5. I'm circling it now because 5 plus 3 is 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. Go ahead and get that down.